Quite often I find set menus a bit lacklustre, but if it's a set menu at Cremona Circuit by BMW Motorrad Motorsport, I'm all in. Hopefully you've already witnessed my exploits on Toprak's factory M1000RR. Well, now it's time to share what else is on the menu that day. As an amuse-bouche, I had the pleasure of spending some laps on the BMW Motorrad World Endurance Team bike. As a starter, it was the carbon-infested Alpha Racing Superbike M1000RR. And obviously Toprak Steed was the main dish, but there was also dessert in the form of the Alpha Racing Superstocker. So first on the menu is the factory EWC machine. I rode a Suzuki a couple of years ago at Le Mans, don't remember that. So this is a nice little comparison. It's like an armchair.
Bike is already in gear.
Okay.
Take the clutch.
Yeah.
And then the black on, and then you can go.
Okay. Bloody hell, this is not exactly comfortable. I mean, it's a very, very stretch to the bars. Oh, doesn't like low revs. Right, out lap, flying lap, in lap. I mean, there's next to no movement on the shifter. Beep beep, yeah, fucking right it is, mate. Yeah, there's next to no movement on the shifter. As you expect, I mean, these brakes are way too good for me. Well, Mickey van der Mark said rev the fucker, so I did. Oh, it's so lazy. It's designed to go fast for 24 hours. But it still feels light and agile, but it's definitely lazy. Feels very long. Oh, the noise, the bangs. It's not scary fast, I'll be honest with you. Oh, stop you bugger! Oh, I did. Oh, that's late. Get her in. Easy. Oh, missed a shift. Could get away with using third. So much mid-range. It's not a peaky bugger, this. And unlike the other three bikes we're going to ride, this has got Bridgestone VO2s on. Ah, what an intro. A world endurance bike. I'm blowing like an absolute, I'm blowing a hoolie, a Wes hoolie. Oh god.
is in the name. The factory endurance racer is designed to go endurance racing, so peak power and a higher redline for sprint racing are swapped for reliability and usability. BMW claim a far more believable figure of just over 222 brake horsepower and certainly feels less endowed than Top Rack's bike, although rules mean it still utilises the standard shift cam tech seen on the road bikes. It's marginally heftier on the scales than the other superbikes due to its additional crash protection, larger fuel tank and a lack of super lightweight parts designed to shave temps off a lap time. And like the chassis setup in general, the brakes are far more progressive, more suited to longer stints in the saddle.
Straight out, sweet.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you need a breath.
That's good.
And just like that, I was on board the Alpha Racing Superbike.
First gear is down. Yeah. Right.
It's worth noting here that, like most superbikes these days, neutral is at the top of the gearbox and first down to sixth are sequential to avoid slipping into neutral. You need to press a lever on the right handlebar to engage neutral again.
This thing sounds naughty. Straight away it feels nicer, it tips in easier. I can't hear myself think though. Wow. Wow. I think this costs 140,000 euros. I'm just here for the split throttle bodies. So much more fluid. God, feels like my bike. God, these brakes are insane. I should be braking so much later. I mean, obviously you can hear the split throttle bodies, it sounds amazing, but you can't feel it. It just makes the throttle smoother, more predictable. Oh Jesus! Oh, that's wide. That's wide. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Straight out the inside notch. I mean, braking is almost as much fun as acceleration. Oh my god, what a bike! Fucking hell!
Sounds like you liked it?
Wow! Fucking hell! It feels like my race bike. It feels like a bike I've ridden for all year, all season. These buggers don't know how spoilt they are. Wow.
The Alpha Racing Superbike is the closest thing we mere mortals can get to buying something like Top Rack's factory racer. Many of the uneducated will scoff at its €149,000 price tag, but the sum of its parts take it closer to €200,000. Ultimately, this is a bike designed for World Superbike privateers and domestic Superbike championships, and it's dripping with factory parts and money can't buy components, such as the factory frame and swing arm, Öhlins RVP fork and RSP shock, and 22-litre tank. It weighs just 165 kilos dry. Although there's no official power figure from the Works 3.1 engine, my Botti dyno suggests around 240 brake horsepower, and like Top Rack's bike, this beauty doesn't use shift cam technology. Can anyone lend me €149,000 please?
Right, and now for dessert. This is the Alpha Racing Superstock bike, and this costs €49,000. €49,000. That is a cheap race bike. Okay. Oh, the brakes definitely have been broken. It's like running a Temu version of Top Rack's bike. My foot's about to catch fire. I do hope there's nothing wrong. Cool. Cool. Thank you guys.
In isolation, this Alpha Racing Superstocker would have been immense. It cost just €45,000, which again makes a mockery of the sum of its parts, building on an already handy base of the 2025 M1000RR. It's a bike designed ready to compete on the Superstock grid, or indeed a very handy trackday tool that doesn't require a bloke who knows what he's doing with a laptop. But for me, the timing just couldn't have been any worse. Jumping on this straight off the Top Rack's bike was like getting out of bed with Bonnie Blue and into bed with Lorraine Kelly. Anyway, thanks to all that made this trip happen, and thanks to you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out our fresh range of GARMs, available in the merch store now.